In this video I'm going to show you how I made our first day of school photo on the iPad Pro. Hello and welcome. For a long time I've wanted to do a first day of school photo with a bit of a difference. I had the idea of all our kids doing something a bit different and me and my wife celebrating at the front door, waving the kids off on their first day of school. No more homeschooling, a lot to be thankful, a lot to be celebrating there. In reality, we weren't that excited to see the kids going off on their first day, but for comedic effect, we had to pick it up and we had to really look as if we were giving it stacks. The other thing is, I cheated a wee bit as this wasn't our first day of school, or it wasn't the kids' first day of school. This photo was actually taken 2 or 3 weeks before the first day of school, so in the middle of the summer holidays, me and my wife got all our kids dressed in their school uniforms, put them out in the front garden and started taking photographs. Much to my neighbours' amusement, but it was good fun and it turned out well. The reason why we didn't do it in the first day of school is because it would have taken too long to edit the photos, whereas 2 to 3 weeks gives you a bit of time in the evenings to work on it. For the past year I've been doing all my compositing and photo manipulation work on the 2020 iPad Pro and I absolutely love it. The app I use for this is called Affinity Photo and I think it's an absolutely brilliant app, and in a few videos time I'll be looking at this app to show you how I use it. And now this bounced into Affinity Photo on the iPad. See what I came up with. there you go, a first day of school photo with a bit of a difference. A few things I might change. The sky I'm not too happy with, the colours, the look of it, there's just something not quite right there. Apart from that, generally pretty pleased how it turned out and a lot of fun to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please comment on what you liked or didn't like about it, or maybe how you would make it different. And there's going to be more videos like this, and then showing you how I use the iPad and how I use Affinity Photo. So until the next time, enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one.